Hello! Today I'm in one of my favorite places to walk. This is a lovely forest. It's a beautiful day, lots of sun and very, very cold. So I'm going to be doing the hold for warming up the body very soon. But today I've got a really good tip for feet that hurt. So I'm going to share that with you. I've done a tip for the legs and the feet in a previous video, but there's another one that I'd like to share with you that is really, really good for any problems with the feet. And so you can do this hold not only when you're walking, not only when you're out on the go, but at any time. Ooh, the ground is all frosty. You can see that the ground is all frosty, and it's probably about 4 degrees at the moment. That's Celsius. I'm not really sure what it is in Fahrenheit, but I know that 0 degrees Celsius is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, so we're not far off freezing. But anyway, the sun is shining, so that's the most important thing. It's just lovely to be out. So before I share this hold with you, please like, subscribe, and comment below if you find this useful, and share with someone else who you think might need to know about this. Now, where are we going? So, when the feet hurt, or when there are problems with the feet, like calluses or corns or warts or anything like that, we can go to a place on the body that helps us with the feet. And that place is the elbows, believe it or not, because at the elbows we've got a safety energy lock, an energy site that helps us with the feet. And that energy site is safety energy lock number 19. Now, 19 is very, very useful to know about because it helps clear our waistline as well. And not only does it clear our waistline, but it also helps clear safety energy lock number 9, which is on the back and is rather more difficult to get to. So safety energy lock 19 is just a wonderful, wonderful way to help ourselves. I'm really going down a rabbit hole here. I have no idea where I'm going. But as you can see, the storms have taken all the leaves off the trees now in certain places, and it's been raining, so it's very muddy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this hold in a second. I'm going to position the camera on a table here. Here we go. So this is the hold, and all you need to do is place your right hand over the left elbow and the left hand over the right elbow and just hold. So wherever you are, even when you're walking, if your hands are free, then you can just walk like this. And this helps the feet. It also helps clear your waistline, and it clears the 9 on the back. Now, safety energy lock 19 is a really important safety energy lock because it gives us back balance. It balances left and right sides, and its meaning is leadership and authority. So it gives us back our leadership and authority. And that's leadership and authority, not so much over others, but of myself, okay? So 19 is just wonderful to employ at any time, anywhere. So let's try and get out of here without sinking into one of these mud holes. Oh, this is just so much fun. I mean, it's hard enough to walk through when it's all boggy. It's hard enough to walk without holding the camera, but when you're holding the camera and you're trying to speak into it and you're walking at the same time, it can get a little bit hairy. So anyway, we're on the go again. I just love it. and it's just a lovely day. Lifts the spirits when it's like this, just lifts the spirits. It's been raining, but now the storm has passed and it's nice and sunny. So if you'd like to learn more about the practice of Jin Shin Jyutsu, I offer a weekly Jin Shin Jyutsu group practice. It's really nice. We get together from all over the world and we practice different flows every week. It's just a great way to balance and harmonize together. So more about that in the link below, and make sure you look out for the next tip. Bye for now.